The Inventor Design Assistant is a standalone tool installed with Inventor. Consider it a simple file management tool. The Design Assistant can do many things with your assemblies and other related documentation, but today we are going to use it to copy an assembly to build a new design. You start by opening the highest level file you want to copy. As I want to copy an assembly and its drawing, we will open the Arbor press drawing. The assembly is used in this drawing. Notice that the faceplate component is additionally listed at the bottom of the tree. This is because there are views of it within the drawing I've selected. It is the Manage section we want to use. I will use the Action column to set the operation. I will set the drawing and the assembly to both be copies. If I were to leave the rest as none, it would reuse these components instead of creating new copies. I will change, however, the jib plate and lever arm, as we want new instances of these components in our new assembly. The available actions also includes rename, which we can use to both rename and change the file location of components. I will do this by right-clicking on the name cell and selecting Change Name. I will browse for a new location and set the file name to Plate. Other actions include Replace. So instead of copying a component, you can replace it with something that already exists. I still have the components I want to copy to configure. I will pick the 4 components I'm copying. This allows me to set the new file location at one time. I will use Change Location to pick a different file location, which will be a new folder I will create on the fly. I will now set the names of the new components, the ones that I am copying. To process this, I will select Save. With the operation complete, let's open File Explorer and browse to the new folder we created. We can see that the Design Assistant created the new files and placed them in this selected folder. Use the Design Assistant to find, track, and manage files and related documents. It also allows you to copy assemblies to new designs.